Kaya nata karon sa Borden Bridge, nata sa river. We'll try to fish some walleyes or jagunsa lang. Basta, swerte.
Oh, now it's dead. It's gonna be dead now, right?
No, still alive.
Wait, how is it still alive?
They are worms.
So if you cut them in half, they're alive. If you smush them, they're alive. Pa, if someone eats it, they're not alive anymore. Ew, the other part is still moving. Ew. Ew, it's still moving. Look how gross it. Ew. I don't want to. Okay, he's casting a worm. This guy. He's casting a worm.
Ayun, palabig pa doon. Kaya makita akong kwento.
Zoom in. Ah! Wait. Wait, not yet. Ready? Go.
Okay, plus 15 degrees. Unya kakasta dito usa. Yang usa na adere. Tuyok-tuyok ang kamera. Tuyok ang kamera. Ana mo na usa diha.
And we have one here.
Oh, yan natay guest dire, special guest ato mga ero dry. Sky, say hi.
He's annoyed. He doesn't want to.
Sako siya kay ganahan siya mo lakaw-lakaw pero di pwede kay basig mas skunk siya or unsa ba ka. Anyways, hot sa ta. Ubagting na ganang ringan mo na siya. 15 degrees anya alas 6, alas 5 siguro sa hapon karon siguro. Nindot rin ka sa hapon daghang mo bite. Huwat-huwat lang sa tadre mga guys. Tadre nindot sa tadre. Ay snake.
No, I'm scared.
Mo ang kanon ko ng snake.
I don't want.
Okay. Tadre hapon na. Ang kani siya atong gibait ani niya kay worm. Kanang kuan ba wati-wati ba? Niya katong usa nasa atbang kani. Kanang nasa atbang kana siya. Atong gibaitan na niya kay isda nga gamay. Murag bulinaw ba pero tawag na diri minus. So tanang na to. Nagki panahon 15 degrees dili init. Hangin gamay. Yeko kyo.
Subscribe.
Okay, mo kaplapil ka siya. Hugaw na kaya kung sanina amaw.
Subscribe.
Stang ka po ya.
What if there's a... Okay, I'll stay here.
Okay, waiting game gyapon. Sorry siya ta drive. Mga itoy na ko eh. Kuyo ba yung kaso? Kasog na ay kuan. Kasog na ay bear. Ato i-offer sa bear. North Saskatchewan River. Very nice. Na mga dock dito sa unahan eh. Ma-reverse mo na akong camera. Di siya pwede ma-reverse di eh. Kaniyo, pwede siya ni bagting sa katakakuhaan eh. So far, almost 30 minutes pa tagahuwat noon. Okay ra, huwat-huwat lang ta. Naalala lagi. Akong kauban sa... Uy! Akong kuha na eh. Namasol po dito. Usara yung kuha. Huwat-huwat lang ta.
We got one, guys. Please. Are you feeling it? Just try it. You're gonna have to reel it in, no matter what. Just reel it. It's gonna let go.
That was a big one.
Really?
Maybe it's a gold eye.
Okay, go. A gold eye that looks nice. Is it gold?
Gold eyes, yeah.
Oh, gold eye. So wall eyes have wall eye. Guys, I think we got
alarm.
false alarm. We didn't get any fish. We almost got, yeah, we didn't get any. Oh. Oh. Pa, quickly do the other one.
Okay. False alarm ganina da. Dalawan to karon be. Hapon naman. Mana gutom na sila pani hapon naman nila. Kaon mo na sila. Tambay lang sa mo diha mga dodong. Tambay lang sa mo diha. Well, nice sa kanyang horizon. Ang tanaw sa view. Naalagi na masaag. Op, op. Op, nilihok. Yeah, it's moving.
Let me get it. Let me film it.
Yeah.
Sky, what's wrong with you?
Murag naan ni siya, nilihok-lihok siya.
I'm a good girl.
Gitilawan siguro unsay timpla sa tong isda sa tong paon. Siya, di mi tinula.
Never
Ikay ko na.
let that huh?
Ikay ko na, ikay kuha.
No, you do it. No, you do. No, you reel it. I'll go ha. What? Do it.
Oh, there you go.
Do it. Dude, come on, get a fish. There is one. Oh my gosh, come on, please. Bah, get it, go. Oh my gosh. Did you lose it? Oh, it's there. Ready? I'm sorry, I don't really know how to film this.
It's a gold eye.
It's a gold eye?
Yeah, it's small.
Okay. Oh. But we got a fish, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Sky's excited. Ready. Where is it? Did we get any? Oh, it's so small. You knew what it was.
I know. They're kind of aggressive.
They're aggressive?
Yeah.
They're aggressive? Don't they see you? They'll be scared of you. Look at that. It's a gold eye. I'm just gonna zoom in. I don't really want to go close.
Yeah. Here, I'm
This
gonna
is a
take it off.
gold eye.
And,
We actually caught one, but it's not big though. We have to return it.
so it's called gold eye for a reason. Look at the
Don't put it
eyes.
to me.
Come here.
What? It's gonna bite me.
Look at the eyes.
It's aggressive.
Look. The eyes. Okay.
Sky, eat it. Oh,
Right.
some blood dropped on him.
Kiss. Mwah.
He was gonna eat it. Okay. Oh, did we get?
Yeah.
We got one. Oops.
Tako siya.
Please be a walleye or a big fish. Oh, I see it. There, guys. Can you see it?
Gamay.
Aww. Where did he?
Aww.
Oh, that's the smallest fish I've ever seen in my entire life. It's a walleye?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not even like a big fish.
It's a baby walleye.
It's like, oh, you thought it was gonna be big. It's like almost the same size as the minnows.
Look at that. Look at that.
We're just gonna
Look at that
gonna
big
film
walleye.
it. Wow. It's a baby. Have you ever caught one?
No.
Oh, it's the first time then.
Go swim away.
Too small for us.
Another one.
We got one. Be a big walleye. Yeah, just reel it.
It's not there.
Aww. False alarm. Oh, I'm kidding.
Give it a sec.
Okay, a sec. Let me just see a sec. 1 second. It's been 1 second. Just give me 5 minutes, okay? It's gonna come. It's gonna come in 5 minutes. That one again. Don't mind the howling. Oh, we got one. We got one. Please be a big fish. Please be a walleye.
Small one.
Small one. At least we got one. Oh, we got two. We got three.
Yeah, we got lots of bite.
Yeah, that's a bite. And we
reeled
got
in
lots.
three.
We got lots of small
All
fish.
small, we just released them.
Oh no,
Where
we
is
didn't
it?
get. But we got what?
God.
We got seaweed.
We got sea bass.
That's not. That's not fish. Where'd our fish go though?
I don't know. They got her.
Did we get it?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Reel it.
Wait.
Reel it. It's so cold. If we get this, we can. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get it.
Oh, it's big.
It's big.
Yeah.
Okay, it's right there.
Ooh, look at that.
What?
Big one. Yeah. Oh.
What? Did it get away?
A surgeon? Maybe. It's fighting. Surgeon. Oh my goodness.
What is that? What? It's so small.
What the heck? That was so big, right?
Oh, it's so
But
small.
it's okay.
Yeah,
That's a walleye.
it's a walleye.
Wow, that's so weird.
Yeah, sweet. So cold. But just get it. There's nothing. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, we didn't. Did we?
Yeah.
We got?
Yeah.
Oh.
Small one again.
Oh. That's our last one, right?
Yeah. Well, got a lot of bite, but they're small ones.
Yeah.
Look at that. Small walleye.
Walleye.
You wanna eat this guy?
Yeah. No, there's lots of bugs. Is that it?
That's it. Oh. It's 7:30. It's sunset. Niluto mo stay longer pero tugnaw na. Kasabuan ito. Till next fishing. So, we got 4 walleye, baby walleye.
Yeah,
We
and
got
one.
4, 1 gold eye.
Yeah.
It was good fishing, but you're too small, so we're not keeping anything.
But at least we caught.
Bye.
Bye.